Multi-Max 1 Installation Instructions. Begin by ensuring the substrate is clean, sound, and between 50 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 to 32 degrees Celsius. Spread Multi-Max 1 using the flat side of the trowel to key mortar into the substrate. Comb the Multi-Max 1 in a single direction and prepare to install the tile or stone. Back buttering large tile is required for any tile or stone that is 12 inches, 305 millimeters, or larger to achieve full coverage. Set the tile or stone by pressing firmly into the mortar, sliding across the ridges to collapse and fully bed the tile. Once installed, periodically check for coverage by lifting a tile to confirm there is a full transfer. Use of the activator is required when working on waterproof or non-porous surfaces, or when installing tiles larger than 12 inches, 305 millimeters, and additionally when used in underwater settings such as pools, fountains, or spas. To mix the activator, pour the pouch into 12 ounces, 355 milliliters of water, in an HDPE spray bottle. Swirl gently to dissolve. The solution will warm. This is normal. One pouch treats a full 3.5-gallon pail. Apply the activator by lightly misting over the troweled mortar until it is damp, not soaked. Follow safety instructions when applying the activator. Always wear gloves and eye and respiratory protection. Check the product and safety data sheets before use, as well as the FAQs available on our website. Never return the activated mortar to the pail. Discard excess and replace the inner disc before storing. Allow at least 24 hours to cure at 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius before grouting. Multi-Max 1 is part of the Laticrete system warranty. Use it with other qualifying system products. For more information on Multi-Max 1 and other Laticrete products, visit our website.